Hi, today we're going to be talking about the angle bisector theorem. Let's get started. So basically when you have an angle bisector, this basically states that CD over DB is equal to AC over AB. Okay, well let's do an example. So basically we know that basically we know that this side over this side is equal to this side over this side. So 3 over 7 is equal to 5 over x, right? So this is what the angle bisector theorem is. So we can cross multiply and we get that 3x is equal to 35. So x is equal to 35 sevenths, okay? So I hope that helped. And the angle bisector actually shows up in many places, so this would be a good theorem to memorize. So anyway, I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.